Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I have a very exciting collection. I'm literally so excited. I'm a child, okay? I really am. I was in high school when Frozen came out and it was still one of my favorite movies. I watched it all the time. Now I haven't watched Frozen in forever, but you best bet I'm going to watch Frozen 2 and I cannot wait. When one of my favorite brands, Colourpop, said they were going to be launching a Frozen 2 collection, I had to get on board with that. And you know, I looked at it and I thought about buying the entire collection, Anna and Elsa, but really Anna's just didn't appeal to me that much, but Elsa's collection, that appealed to me. So this is the Elsa Colourpop collection box. It is honestly so beautiful. This is what the back looks like. It has this beautiful little bow thing. I mean, it's tied terribly because I retied it because I had to look at it. I couldn't help myself. But this is amazing because it pretty much comes in like the PR kind of thing, and oh my gosh. This box is seriously so stunning. Look at that. It just, you know, you just open it like this and wow. I'm so excited about this. You guys don't even understand how excited I am about this. We have the Frozen Luxe lipstick, and this is in Little Snow. Now, I'm not going to be wearing this. This is what it looks like. This just is not my shade. It's not a color I really like. I don't like berries or anything like that, so I will probably put this into a future giveaway. Then we have this, which I think is so interesting, and I'm very, very excited about this. And there's a little bit on the underside, which I don't think is supposed to happen. So this right here is called the Dark Sea, and this is a glitter gel. This is what it looks like. It's like, I think it's supposed to be a glitter that you use without a glitter primer, because I think it's just supposed to stick because it's like a jelly formula, which I'm super excited about because I've really wanted to get into glitters. I probably should put the little plastic holder thing back on there. I really wanted to get into glitters, but I don't have any glitter primers, and I'm honestly just too lazy to buy one. So I'm excited to use this. This is the lip gloss in Mythic Journey, and I'm curious to see what kind of like formula this is because, oh yeah, because it's one of those like weird brush ones. I don't have any Colourpop lip glosses that have the weird brush thing. So I thought maybe this was gonna have some like iridescence in it, but I don't really think it, I mean, it's very faint, like blue and purple, but I really don't think that there's much of anything in there. I think it's really just a clear gloss with glitters in it. I don't think there's much like color in it, which I kind of like because I really didn't want, you know, too much color in the lip. But the star of the show is the Elsa palette. I dropped that little piece of plastic. I also like that they changed their 9 palette eyeshadows to, instead of plastic with a clamp, they're just like the cardboard ones with the magnet, and I love that so much better. And also, this is like all textured with glitter, which I love. I'm so excited. This is so beautiful. It's probably gonna sit, you know, on my desk because I want everyone to see it. It comes with a mirror, which is super awesome, and it's a really nice mirror for how small it is. And finally, here is the palette, the star of the show. I'm so excited. I think all these colors look so beautiful, and I love Colourpop's eyeshadows, so I just know that these are going to be amazing. And I am just now noticing there's only 3 mattes in this palette. 3 mattes. There is 1 pressed glitter, and that's really beautiful, but I think it kind of looks like the Dark Sea, but in like pressed glitter form, so I'm probably gonna use the Dark Sea rather than this. I am going to go ahead and swatch all of these shades for you just so I can get a feel of what they look like before I do anything. So I'm gonna go ahead and swatch these, and I'll be right back. So from left to right, we have Spindrift, Ice Crystals, Awakened, Water, Flurry, Gale, Northern Lights, Fire, and Cuddle Close. So far, my favorite shades are these 2. Like, I'm very excited about those 2 shades. And this one is so much prettier than I thought it was gonna be, honestly. And also this blue. I'm just so glad I went for this palette. I think I'm ready to do my eyes, so I'm gonna go ahead and zoom you guys in real quick. So I think I'm just gonna speed through this and like show you guys what I'm using, but I'm gonna fast forward through it because if I sit here and tell you what I'm doing, this could take a long time considering I have no idea what I'm doing with this eyeshadow palette. So let me be the first to say that I don't 100% understand how glitters work. Like, this is the first time I've ever even messed with any kind of glitter. And after putting on my eyeliner and mascara, I highly recommend using this glitter gel after all of that stuff, because I've got glitter in my mascara somewhere. It was coming off with my eyeliner. I should probably look into exactly how to apply it, because I probably applied it wrong. But yeah, let me zoom you in so you can see the eye look though. Overall, I think it turned out really good, and I really like it a lot. I do like this glitter gel, and I will continue to use it and hopefully figure out exactly how to use it. This eyeshadow palette is honestly so beautiful, and I love it, so yeah. So as you guys can see, I've applied my lipstick. I'm just using the Maybelline Superstay Ink Crayon in Lead the Way. And now I'm going to go ahead and use the lip gloss. There are some like silver glitters in this lip gloss. It feels a little gritty. It feels a little gritty, not sticky, which is awesome, but a little bit gritty. Can you guys see the little silver reflex in it? Little glitters. Overall, I do like this. I just think that's something to keep in mind. It is a little bit gritty. Not sticky at all, and it smells really good. But it's a little gritty because of the glitters, but I really don't think that's that bad. Okay, so this is the overall look of the collection, and honestly, I really like this. This is the look I imagined doing when I got the collection, and it turned out just about how I wanted it to. The glitter could have turned out a little bit better, but like I said, I am a noob when it comes to glitter, so if I did anything wrong, like, let me know how to do it better, because I would love to learn more about glitters. This is the first glitter product I've ever used on my eyes. And watch, this probably isn't even for your eyes. So the total price of this box was $38. And I'm not really sure of the individual prices of everything. I will possibly consider getting the Elsa collection as well, because I just looked on the website to find the names of the eyeshadow palette, and each one of these sets has not sold out yet. So I definitely will consider buying that one too. Probably not anytime soon, because really this one is just everything I could have ever hoped for. And the eyeshadow palette is so beautiful, and I feel like it's very unique, and I just like that a lot better. The Anna one kind of just was warm tones that are, you know, everywhere, and I've probably gotten like 10 different palettes, but this one had some very unique shades in it, so I was super excited for that. If you've made it to this point in the video and you like Frozen as well, then let me know down in the comments who your favorite Frozen character is. I would say mine is probably Olaf. I've got this awesome Olaf cup right here, so mine's probably Olaf. I think he's my absolute favorite. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you guys get this collection, or at least check it out. Like, if you're into Frozen, I would highly recommend this collection if you like makeup and you like Frozen, because this was super fun, and the packaging is so beautiful. And I feel like my eye look turned out really good. It's something different from anything I've ever done, and the palette is so unique, and the gel glitter is also very unique and neat idea. Please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and if you want to see more videos like this. Colourpop launches something like every day, so if you guys want to see more Colourpop launches, I would love to buy some more. So, you know, let me know if there's any launches you guys would like to see me test out. I know they just had that Going Coconuts one, and I seriously want that so bad, and I'm considering getting it, but we'll see. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I am really aiming for 300 subscribers by the end of the year. That would be awesome if you guys would help me out and subscribe. So if you enjoy videos like these and you want to see me do more, then definitely hit the subscribe button, turn on notifications. I post videos every single Saturday, and I will see you guys next Saturday. Bye!